Hi guys, I'm Raksha and welcome back to my channel. So Raksha Bandhan is almost here, and if you're celebrating this festival, I'm sure you guys are thinking as what you guys can do to make it super special for your siblings this festival. And in this video, I have come up with an extremely easy recipe, and also I have combined two of my most favorite desserts together. The first one being as the Motichoor, which is my all-time favorite, and the other one being the cheesecake. It is an absolutely easy recipe, guys, so try this recipe out and make this extremely special for your sibling this festival. So let's begin.
So let's begin first with taking around 150 grams of room temperature cream cheese, and I'm going to beat this till you get soft peaks. And after this I'm going to add some icing sugar. Make sure you add icing sugar and not granulated sugar, because then it will be very hard for it to melt in cream cheese. And once I've added the sugar, I'm going to beat this for another minute or two. And once we're done with this, I'm going to take whipped cream, and this is chilled whipped cream, and it is around half cup, and I'm going to beat this till you get soft peaks. Okay, why we're adding whipped cream to cream cheese is because it becomes nice and airy and it gives a very nice texture. So once we're done with this, I'm going to transfer the cream cheese that we've made, and I'm going to just fold in very softly, so the air that we have accumulated is not knocked out. And now finally we're done with our cream cheese filling. So what we're going to do is we're going to transfer this into a piping bag, and we're going to keep this ready. And moving on to the next step, I have taken around 10 to 15 digestive biscuits and I've crushed it coarsely, and to that I'm going to add some melted butter. This is around half cup melted butter. And in whatever that you guys are presenting the dessert, take them. So for this video I've taken these cute short glasses. So first what I'm going to do is I'm going to add the crushed biscuit as my first layer. And with the help of a finger, I'm just going to press everything down so the layer is nice and distinct when you're adding another layer on top of it. Alright, and after this I'm going to take the cream cheese filling and I'm going to fill it almost halfway through. Alright, that's it. Now I'm going to repeat for all the glasses. And now I'm going to crush the Motichoor laddu, and the crushed pieces I'm going to add on top of it. Okay, you can fill it completely. Make sure all the gaps are nicely filled. And that's it, guys. So these are going to be our 3 layers, and this is the fusion of the cheesecake and the Motichoor. So just repeat this for all the glasses and we are done. And let's move on to the garnishing part. I am going to add some chopped pistachio, and I've added also the dried rose leaves. And now I'm going to add edible silver leaves. Okay, so this is going to give our dessert that rich look, and see the combination of the pistachio, the rose petals and the silver leaves, guys. It looks absolutely stunning. So I'm going to repeat it for all the glasses, and once you're done with this, cover and place them in the refrigerator for 3 to 4 hours before serving, and you're good to go. So your no-bake cheesecake Motichoor jars are ready, guys, and trust me, the fusion of the Motichoor laddu and the cheesecake is absolutely amazing. So do try this out for this Rakhi and make it super special for your siblings. The beautiful layers of cheesecake, crumbled motichoor laddu and the biscuit crust will make this dessert extremely irresistible. And when these desserts are served in short classes, they make a perfect portion to be served. I am going to enjoy this while you share and subscribe to my channel. And if you like this video, don't forget to share it with your friends and family. It will mean the world to me. So here's wishing you and your family a happy Raksha Bandhan. Celebrate this eternal bond between your siblings with utmost joy, and I hope you have a great day.